Hey, it's 39 degrees in Florida today, but we're still going to break out the smoker. We're going to take half a pound of Brie. We're going to take some prosciutto and wrap around it. We got some other goodies in the store. We're going to smoke it on this Pit Boss pellet grill. You got to stay with me. I've got some prosciutto here. I don't know if that's how you say it, but at least that's how I say it. And as you can see, I'm just going to lay these pieces down where they overlap, and we're going to go in a circle all the way around this cutting board. Now it took 2 4-ounce packages for a total of 8 ounces. And here I've got 8 ounces of Brie cheese. Now we're just going to get our cheese out of here, put it right down in the center, and then in the opposite direction of how we laid this prosciutto down, we're going to start folding it back over into the middle, overlapping each piece. And as you can see, this stuff is really thin. It's easy to tear, so you want to be careful. The nice thing is you're able to mold it quite easily all around the cheese. Now you can put it on the smoker just like this, but my brother gave me this New Riff Distilling Old Bourbon Trail rub. I'm going to hit this up with a little bit of this rub. Hey, it's got bourbon smoked sugar, pepper, hickory powder, garlic, onion, rosemary, and some other stuff in it. We'll just get it seasoned up on all sides. You don't have this, use a barbecue pork rub. You want something sweet on this. You've already got salty from the prosciutto. Now let's get over to that Pit Boss pellet grill. Now my Pit Boss tailgater here, the fire cup is down on the left end. So you want to move this cheese down to the right, away from the direct heat. You want this cooked indirect. As I mentioned, it's pretty cold here. As you can see, I've got it set on 250 degrees, but it's running right now about 160. We just had the lid open. I'll monitor it, see if that temperature comes up a little bit before I crank it up anymore. We want to run around 200 degrees. It's been right at 1 hour. Now it's super cold today, and this pellet grill's only been running at 180. What I've got here is some hot honey. You don't need to do this. I like to layer the flavors. This will just add a little bit of sweet in addition to that rub to kind of go with that salty prosciutto. Just take this brush and kind of put a thin coat all over the top. Now it's been an hour. This is this pellet grill. It's really cold today, so this pellet grill is only run at 180. Just now worked its way up to 200. Probably going to let it go about 10-15 minutes. Get it off here. It's been 10 more minutes. Look at the beautiful color on that. We're going to get it off here. Just look at the color. Let's get right to it. Going to cut it right down the middle. I didn't get the sharpest knife in the world. Now let's open it up so you can see it. Oh, just look at that goodness. You know what we're going to do now? Going to get a little of this cheese on a cracker. Look at that. Just going to use my fingers. A little of that prosciutto. Right there is goodness from above. Absolutely incredible. I mean, you know what Brie tastes like. It's all good, all nice and hot. That prosciutto's got just a little salty, not too much. A little sweet from that honey and that rub we put on there. You saw how easy it was to make. Next time you're having a dinner party, you got to make this for your guests.